needs a bath, buddy. You guys are in need of a bath. Good boy. Good boy. Say hi, buddy. You're all clean. You like that? Let's stay here. Look how beautiful you look now. Aww, look beautiful. Alright buddy, before we go back, it's your turn to pick up your very first collar. Which one do you want, buddy? You like that one? Alright buddy, hope you enjoyed your first bath. Well done, buddy. Good job. Good boy. Which one do you want? Alright, let's see your collar, buddy. Oh, look how cute that is. Alright, buddy, you ready to go home? Your collar looks amazing on you. You ready for your bath, buddy? You ready for your bath? See, that wasn't that bad. Look how quick that was. Look how quick that was. Alright, let's dry you off, buddy. Well, that works. Time to pick out a collar. Which one do you want? You got blue, red, and these are for both your sisters, so those are off the table. You know, you look a lot like Nike, so let's give you this one. Do you like it? Wow. You look amazing in that, buddy. You ready to go back? Time to go get your sister. What kind of shake was that? Alright, let's go back. Say bye. Alright, time for your first bath. Let's go. You are so small. You're all done, baby. It wasn't that bad. Alright baby, it's time for your collar. I have just the one for you. What do you think of this? Oh my goodness, you are precious. Alright, let's go get your brother. Alright buddy, it's time for your first bath. You ready? Alright buddy, you're all done. See, it wasn't that bad. Alright, time to dry off. Alright buddy, it's time to choose your collar. Which one would you like? You can't wear that as a collar, buddy. You like that red one? You like the red one? Wow buddy, you look beautiful with this red collar. So classy. Time to say bye. Let's go get your brother. Hi, buddy. You ready for a bath? Here we go. Alright buddy, let's dry off. Alright buddy, it's time to choose a collar. I think that the blue one's gonna look best on you, buddy. Let's try it on. Oh wow, you look so beautiful. Are you cold? You need to go outside? Alright buddy. Good job with your first bath. You did amazing. You ready for your bath, buddy? All your brothers and sister have done it. Time for your bath. You cool, baby? You did so good in your bath. You sure did. It's time to pick out your collar, girl. And I have just the one for you. How does this look? No, baby, don't shiver. You're okay. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Say bye. You're the last one to take your bath, buddy. Are you ready? Here we go. Alright, buddy, good job. That's all it was. Your first bath is complete. Good boy. Alright, buddy, time to choose your collar. How does this one look? Let's try it on. Alright, you ready to model for us? Wow, look at your collar. It looks so good on you. Alright, time to go back to your brothers and sisters.